If you are looking for simple ways to keep your baby engaged while also supporting their development, you are in the right place. In this video, we will share a few easy sensory play ideas you can set up at home without much effort. What is sensory play? Sensory play means any activity that engages your baby's senses: touch, sight, sound, smell, and even taste. In the first year of life, every texture felt, every sound heard, helps form neural pathways. These pathways support learning, memory, and movement later on. So when your baby splashes water or crinkles paper, they are not just playing, they are learning. Fun and easy sensory activities for your baby. 1. Texture exploration basket. Take a small basket and fill it with safe household items. For example, a soft cloth, a wooden spoon, a silicone teether, or a piece of sponge. Sit with your baby and let them explore each item. Watch how they react. Do they squeeze it, shake it, or bring it to their mouth? 2. Tummy time water play. Tummy time can be a struggle, right? Try placing a sealed zip bag filled with a little water and colorful objects under your baby during tummy time. As they press down, the water moves. That gentle movement encourages them to push up, explore, and stay engaged longer. 3. DIY sensory bottles. Take an empty plastic bottle and fill it with water, a bit of oil, and a few drops of food coloring. You can also add glitter, beads, or small buttons if the bottle is securely sealed. Now shake it. Watch how your baby tracks the movement. 4. Make music. You can create a mini music station using things you already have: a metal spoon tapping a bowl, a crinkly wrapper, or a small container filled with rice. Let your baby tap, shake, and listen. You don't need to control it. Just stay close and enjoy the rhythm with them. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby development-related videos. Please continue watching. 5. Bubble play. Blow a few bubbles and let them float around your baby. Watch how their eyes follow the movement. They will try to reach out and pop them. You can gently guide their hand toward a bubble. 6. Safe taste exploration. As your baby grows and starts solids, you can include taste as part of sensory play. Offer small amounts of different textures, like mashed banana, soft rice, or yogurt. Let them touch the food, squish it, and taste it. Yes, it will get messy. That is part of the process. Safety tips. 1. Always supervise your baby during these activities. 2. Avoid small objects that can be swallowed. 3. Make sure everything is clean and non-toxic. Sensory play does not require expensive toys or elaborate setups. What matters is your presence, your attention, and giving your baby the freedom to explore. So next time you have a few minutes, try one of these activities. Sit down with your baby, observe, and enjoy the moment.